Welcome to Birding for Health, episode 2. We're going to talk about wild bird food and what to feed your garden birds to help to attract them to your garden. Peanuts. Wild birds enjoy feeding on peanuts for a good reason. Peanuts offer an excellent balance of protein and oil, both required for energy and good health. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are packed with a wide variety of valuable nutrients including iron, magnesium and vitamins A, B, C and D. Sunflower seeds are also a good source of healthy oils and fats which are great for helping wild birds maintain a healthy weight, especially during the difficult winter months. Wild bird seed mixtures provide a vital food supply for seed-eating birds and comprise of many different seeds for the different species of birds that come to feed. It can be fun to make your own wild bird seed mix by using sunflower seeds or chips, corn or millet, peanuts and Niger seed. Try to avoid seed fillers such as milo, as this is usually tossed aside by most birds and ends up just being left or ending up as a weed seed in your garden. There is a wide variety of bird seed mixes available, from a classic wild bird mix to high energy bird mixes and husk free wild bird seed mixes, so it can be a case of trial and error to see which seed mix you prefer to use depending on what birds you're wanting to attract to your garden. Fat balls are a high energy source of healthy fats and calories, making them a particularly valuable bird feed option for wild birds, especially during the winter months. Fat balls are also great for the breeding and migration seasons when birds will need as much energy as they can get. Coconut shells with peanut butter bird food. These are full of energy-rich, bird-safe peanut butter, providing much-needed calories for wild birds. Energy-rich foods are extra important for our wild birds to help them through the long, cold winter nights and during the breeding and molting seasons too. Dried mealworms are a great source of natural, nutritious food for wild birds, packed with healthy fat, protein and fibre that helps strengthen growth. Mealworms make a great bird food that feeds hungry birds all year round. Niger seed is a great little seed, thistle seed, that is great for attracting chaffinches and greenfinches. Bread does not contain the necessary protein and fat that birds need from their diet, and so it can act as an empty filler. Although bread isn't harmful to wild birds, try not to offer it in large quantities since its nutritional value is relatively low.